The song Let the Light In by Kari Jobe from her album The Blessing Live is it's a long song. It's repetitive in some sections, but we are also being repetitive in those sections. So the builds are very similar. They're slightly different, but they're pretty much the same throughout. We're covering for about 9 guitars here. And so because of that, our tone, we're going to use a lot of space. So make sure you check out that tone section, and we're going to really try and fill in. There are still some really clear riffs though that work. And so if you have multiple guitars, one of you just hit big open chords like what the acoustic guitar is doing. And that will add more than enough. If you just kind of have those big open chords, especially in the key of E, it can really make a difference. Neither guitar is capoed, so go ahead and tune up, watch the music video, and let's get started. When we're on that really big chorus, we go from playing those high notes into this big riff, which is essentially like a louder, crazier version of what you do in Bridge 2. It's going to sound like this. Should sound familiar. Literally have every pedal except for my tuner and my chorus pedal on for that. And essentially what you're doing is you're keeping that same rhythm, but we're sliding around, staying on a lower octave, trying to make it bigger. And we're going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So let's do that one first. Starting on the D string, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. See, from here you're holding that pointer, sliding up to the 8th fret, and catching the 9 with your middle. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Then you do it again. 1 and 2 and 3 and. This time you slide up all the way to the 13th fret, and drop back to 11. Once again, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. So that's the same as the first one, and then you just finish up with. So up to that 13th, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then right back in 1 and 2 and 3 and. One note on those slides as you're making them. Like I said, it kind of makes the most sense there. It always helps when you're sliding to look at the fret that you're sliding to. A lot of times people get stuck looking at their hands instead of looking at the fret, especially on big jumps like that. So just be sure that you got your eye on where your landing spot, and it'll be just fine. I do have a loop and tab at that down below. If you got that, you got the whole song, so try it along with the music video. Good luck. 2 and 3 and 4 and. Two and 3 and 4